Hi everyone. Namaste to all the viewers. Welcome to our channel Happy Healthy Home. If you are lazy cooking or if you are not interested in cooking or if you are new for cooking, all the cooking videos whichever I post in this channel are very simple, quick, easy to prepare by anyone. And at the same time, it is very nutritious and healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch all the recipes of your own interest.
Let's get into the video without any further delay. Here, today's recipe is special. Do you know how? We are using one pot to prepare two dishes. Yes, one pot we are preparing vegetable rice and vegetable gravy. Yes, it's possible, believe me. So, I think you are seeing all the ingredients, right? Carrot, frozen peas, frozen corn, potatoes, tomatoes, cauliflower I soaked in hot water, and meal maker. Even that I soaked in hot water. And you can see coriander, green chilli, ginger garlic paste, 3 onions finely chopped, and I suggest to use freshly ground ginger garlic paste. Here you can even see whole garam masala. It includes cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, bay leaves, and other biryani items. Ensure the cardamoms are broken into two halves. As shown here, take a kadai with a thick base. It is very much needed for this vegetable rice because we are going to prepare entire vegetable rice in this kadai itself. So I have taken 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of ghee and added the whole garam masala and fried it. Now I have added onions and give it a stir. Add green chilies, onions and mix it well. Remember that entire cooking process should be in medium to low flame. Remember, if the cardamom is not broken, the oil will splutter. As I am used to, I didn't break it and I used it directly. So be careful if you are new to cooking. Keep frying the onions and green chilies until they are translucent. Once onions are fried, we need to add ginger garlic paste. Once you add ginger garlic paste, mix it well so that it gets fried well with onions. Once everything is fried, we'll start adding veggies. In the beginning, add the veggies which might take little while for cooking. So I have added here carrots and potatoes. Once you add it, again give it a mix. So once you mix it well, you feel there might be little water needed. So I have added frozen peas and corn so that they have little water inside, and that is enough for all the veggies to get cooked. Close the lid for 2 minutes and allow it to cook. Once it is cooked, open the lid and give it a mix. Now I am squeezing out the water out of meal maker and I am adding it to the kadai and give it a stir. Now add tomatoes, cauliflower and give a nice mix so that all veggies get mixed uniformly, and ensure while you are cooking veggies, just close the lid and cook it for 1.5 minutes every time you add a new veggie. Now add coriander leaves and then give it a nice mix. Add salt for the veggies so that it will fasten the cooking process. Again, close the kadai with the lid and cook it for 1.5 minutes. Yes, after 1.5 minutes, open the lid and give it a mix. Now, as the veggies are almost 60% cooked, we shall go to the next step. So here, as we have taken lot of veggies and we wanted to do 2 dishes, right? So I am gonna separate few of these veggies in this state to a separate bowl, as shown here. So after separating the veggies, give the remaining veggies a stir and you can see the veggies which are separated into a bowl.
Now that we have separated the vegetables from this kadai into a separate container, stay tuned so that you will get to know how I made a gravy out of it. It will be very interesting. Even I am also interested to show you how I prepared it. Keep watching, stay tuned this channel for that video.
Stir the vegetables in the kadai and add cashews. Yeah, you can add handful cashews as you wish, and I have added 1 spoon sugar and give it a mix. I have soaked 300 grams of rice and I have added it to the vegetables. So this way the rice will not be sticky because the rice will have oil in it and it will not be sticky. So I have taken 2 glasses of water for 1 glass of rice. So this is the ratio. And as you are cooking in kadai, use little more water than normal. So if you are using 1:2 ratio of rice and water, here you can increase it to 1:2, 1/4. And after leaving 10 minutes under low flame, this is the state of the rice. It will be almost 85 to 90% cooked, and you can add 3 tablespoons of ghee. This will definitely give a very good taste to the rice. And you stir the rice well, and the rice will be little moist. And ensure you stir the rice carefully so that the grains will not break. If the grains break, it will not have a very good consistency. So once you stir everything, close the lid and let it cook in low flame for 5 more minutes. And once it is cooked for 5 minutes, you switch off the flame and leave it for 10 minutes aside. So after 10 minutes, when I open the lid, the rice is perfectly cooked as shown here. See how grainy, how uniformly all the vegetables got mixed. And yeah, it was very aromatic, tasty, and it was very delicious, and it was not at all spicy, or as it is not having any additional masalas. Even the kids liked it a lot. Now let's serve it. So you can see here, right? This is how the gravy looked after I prepared it. And believe me, it took only 2 minutes for the gravy to get ready this way. And yeah, I want to show you a close-up view of the rice. See how appetizing it is. Yes, let us now serve the rice and the gravy so that we can get the open, genuine feedback. As you can see, this recipe is full of vegetables, ghee, and very nutritious and very healthy and tasty, yummy even. It's very colorful, right? And believe me, even you will love it and you will feel it very easy to prepare.
Oh, thank you.
అవును ఇది స్పెషల్, సింపుల్ స్పెషల్.
ఇదేంటి
ఎలా
స్పెషల్
ఉందో
ఉంది
చెప్పు.
మరి ఏంటిది? మా ఏంటిది కొత్తగా ఉంది?
సో నేను 2-in-1 వెజిటబుల్ ఫ్రైడ్ రైస్ కుర్మా చేస్తాను, ఒకసారి టేస్ట్ చూడు. ఎలా ఉంది?
చాలా బాగుందిరా, నిజంగా చాలా 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 బాగుంది.
నిజంగా ఏంటంటే అబద్ధంగా కూడా చెప్తారా? పచ్చిమిరపకాయ తినేస్తున్నావు. ఎలా ఉంది?
చాలా బాగుంది, చాలా బాగుంది. ఈసారి కుర్మా హైలైట్ రా.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Happy Healthy Home. Don't forget to click on the notification bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.